Hello everyone, I'm very happy to reconnect with you. So in the previous session, we discussed about one idea with the help of API, how we are going to create the test set. Okay. So in this session, we are going to learn about step by step in very detail, including the concept, then development. Okay. So here to make the better understanding, I have created one flowchart. So it will be more helpful for you or understanding. Okay. So we can see the first approach will be the API authorization, test set API parameters, robot detail fetch, process detail fetch, implement the workflow, and then final API configuration in Studio. So with the help of these guidelines only, we are going to start our session. Okay. So you can see the first API authorization. What is the use of API authorization? Why we are doing that? We can see API authorization is process of controlling who can access. Remember this word, who can access or use an API, ensuring that only authorized user or system can interact with it. So let's say for example, this is my orchestrator. Okay, I logged in with my username and password and credential, so I can able to perform the task. I can create the process, I can run the process, whatever it is. But if anyone has the API, which means the backend access, they can do a lot of operation, right, without any permission. So that is the reason they invented one personal access token to maintain the security and confidential purpose. Okay. So whenever we are going to hit the API in the backend, we need the personal access token. Then only we can able to interact with orchestrator API. So that is the reason this authorization we would require when we dealing with API. Okay, so it will be common for all the applications, website, any kind of thing. Okay, then yeah, you can see. So now we are going to learn about these two approaches. One with the help of Swagger API, how we are going to configure the API to get the personal access token. Then second one, Postman. For this, how we are going to generate the token to interact with our API, which means our orchestrator. Okay, so yeah, now I'm going to explain about the Swagger API. Swagger API is nothing but you can see. So this is my orchestrator link, right? So I will go there. I will copy the link. Here you can see the link, ID, tenant, everything got covered. Okay, I'll just copy, post it here, then slash type swagger slash index.html. It will take some couple of seconds. So it will bring what are the features available under the orchestrator, all the backend access with the help of API. What is the API request? Then what are the parameters we need to pass? It will get bring it over here. You can see, for example, I will show the first jobs. Okay, the same thing you can check it. Yeah, and the automation jobs. So here, what are the action we can do that? We can able to get the job details. We can run the jobs. Then we can stop the process. Everything we can do that, right? So the same options with the help of API. Here we will get the backend requests. We can see get get the jobs, get the single jobs, start the job. For that we are going to use the post. Okay, so based on your requirement you can utilize whatever you want. Okay, so for that, to begin with that, we should need the, already I discussed, right? So whenever we are going to hit the API, we should need the personal access token. Okay, so here yeah, here that is already configured. I will again log out. Yeah, the main thing you can see, to generate the personal access token, we should need the both link. You can see authorization URL for the authentication purpose, then generate the token URL. Then here you can see by default client ID got generated, right? Then here we don't want to do any kind of much more configuration, just hit on authorized. You can see it's get authorized. The thing is already we generate the Swagger index right under the our tenant only with the ID, then respective user, then default tenant ID, whatever it is. So that is the reason by inside the link itself is getting generated. So there is no much more configuration needed. Okay. Yeah. Now our Swagger API is ready. We can able to perform the API actions. Then second approach will be Postman. So you can ask the question, Ajit, already we created the Swagger API configuration. Why we need the Postman? Yeah. So here the thing is, with the help of Postman, this is a very popular API development tool. Okay. So it will simplify the process of building and testing the documentation API through intuitive interface. The main purpose, if you are very new to API, now we are going to learn about the API, the basics. So here you will get the like a, more understandable customized features. Okay, so you can see how to pass the parameters, which means how to pass the request, how to pass the authorization, how to pass the headers, body, everything. Then post sending the request. You can customize the result also with the pretty format, raw, preview, visualize. So based on your convenience, then you can learn we can demonstrate end to end like how it works, what is the response we are getting. So if you are going to start the API like a first time, so Postman will be the best approach for the learning purpose. Okay. Yeah, last time I already discussed. So for the Swagger API, the same approach with the help of client ID user token by default is generating the token. So there is no much more configuration. But for the Postman, we need to manually create those tokens with the help of client ID plus user key. Then we will get the access token. Where we will get? I will show that. Just log in with the orchestrator. Go to the user preferences. Go to the privacy and security. VIP access. Here you can see user key is nothing but there you can see I already given the JSON party, then API request also with help of that only this one API request also with help of these two things only we are going to generate the token. Okay, so first I'm going to pass this link under here. Okay, so we are going to select the post. The thing is we are going to post this request, then we are going to get the response. Then second JSON body like a grant type. Grant type is nothing but what action we are going to establish here. So I'm going to give refresh token. We need the token only, right? So that is the reason. So the grant type I'm going to pass. So this comes under the address. Sorry, body. You can see grant type refresh token. We need to pass it over there. Then client ID. Same thing. These three parameters is enough. Client ID. Yeah, this is the client ID. Okay. Here I need to change that, which actually got deleted. Client ID. Then third one will be reference token. Token is nothing but our user key. So this is the user key. I'm going to put it here. Okay. So now the three parameter as configured, right? I'm going to hit the send response. Yeah, we got the output. You can see 200. So this is our output access token. So you can say this is our license to connect to interact with our orchestrator. Okay. So with the help of these token only we can able to interact with the orchestrator with any third party application via API. Then we can perform based on our requirement. Okay guys, like these two approach we seen, right? So in the upcoming session, there will be one more approach will be there to generate the token. The thing is, these token will get expiry within a very short span of time. So here we can able to control the expiry time. Okay, but in the next video, I will explain. We can able to handle the expiry time. Like these 10 days, I want to use the same token. I need to extend the expiry time. Okay, so kind of things we can able to learn in the next video. I will show that how it will works. Thank you guys. If any doubts, you can ping me in chat, ping me in the comment as well. Like, don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much. Bye.